Hello kids, welcome to Animal Sandbox. In today's video, we have domestic animals stuck in our muddy sandbox. And we have this hungry crocodile. This crocodile is very hungry. And this crocodile wants to eat all the domestic animals, and he's very hungry today. And crocodile is one of the dangerous animal. So let's start our video today. And our first domestic animal is this swan, and here comes the crocodile. The swan is in the mouth of this giant crocodile, and it's taking this swan to the water. And here you go, swan. And our next domestic animal is this rooster. So the crocodile is going to eat the rooster. Here you go, the rooster. And the rooster is clean now and in the bathtub. And our next domestic animal is this lovely hen. This hen. And here comes the crocodile. They love to eat and chicken. There you go, the chicken. There you go, the chicken. It's clean now and in the bathtub. Okay, so our next domestic animal is this duck, this white duck, and the crocodile is going to eat this duck. There you go, the duck is in his mouth. And the duck is clean now. And in the bathtub. And next domestic animal is this one-hump camel. This camel, one-hump camel. And the crocodile is going to eat this camel. Here you go. The camel is in his big, giant mouth. And here you go. The camel is clean. And out of this giant crocodile mouth, so kids, these are the domestic animals left in our muddy sandbox. Here's a dog, dog, and the crocodile is going to eat the dog. Here you go. The dog is in his big mouth. And here you go. The dog is in the bathtub. Very relieved. He is out of this giant crocodile mouth. And the next animal is this goat. This lovely goat. And the crocodile is going to grab this goat from the neck. Here you go. Here you go. The goat Here you go. The goat is clean and in the bathtub. And kids, the next animal is this big, giant bull. It's very heavy. So let's see if our crocodile This bull is very heavy, and the crocodile will love this bull. Here you go. Bull neck in his big mouth, and he's taking this bull to the muddy water. There you go. The bull is clean. And out of the crocodile mouth. So kids, our next domestic animal is this ostrich. Ostrich. And the crocodile loves ostrich. And he's grabbing ostrich from his mouth. There you go. Ostrich. In the muddy water. So kids, we have these 4 big domestic animals left in our muddy sandbox. So kids, the next is this rabbit. And here you go, rabbit. In the crocodile mouth, rabbit. And the rabbit is clean now. In the bathtub. Good, we have these 3 big animals left. The cow, the fallow, and the 2 camel. So let's pick the cow, which is very heavy. And crocodile is going to grab the cow from his mouth. Big mouth. And the cow is in his mouth. And here you go. The cow is clean now. And in the bathtub. So kids, the next domestic animal is this big fellow. This big buffalo. And here you go. Buffalo in the big mouth of crocodile. And here you go, buffalo. It's clean now. And kids, the last animal is this big two-hump camel. And the crocodile is going to grab the camel from his neck. There you go. The camel is in the crocodile mouth and in the bathtub. Here you go. Camel. And kids, our muddy sandbox is empty. And these animals, they've enjoyed this episode. And the crocodile, the hungry crocodile. So kids, do subscribe to Animal Sandbox channel. And until the next episode, take care and bye-bye. Thank you for watching.